Well, hello. Today I'm going to be working on a clasp designed by Sarah Neela Elkins. Uh, she drew a character called Silence, if I'm not mistaken, and she made a belt clasp, which I thought was very nice and cool. So I'm going to make a 3D design of it. I am then going to 3D print it. And yeah, well, without further ado, let's begin. So, to start things off, 3D printing and 3D designing is fairly easy. You are basically just going to need a few geometric shapes. Right now I'm basing my work on Neela's design for the clasp, which is fairly simple. It's basically a rectangle, but it's a very nice design. Similar to backpack clasp. Uh, yeah, the proportion seems to be right. This clasp is interesting because there's two parts to it, and every part, it's basically one part just rotated 180 degrees. Very, very clever design. It's supposed to make an S when it closes. So we'll start from here. So, okay, so I have a rectangle, and I'm going to base the rectangle on this shape. It should be an S, so I'm going to draw a line down the middle. So 979.6 millimeters. I would be happier if this were closer to probably an inch. An inch is 20. I'm not really sure. Like, I can just hit 1 inch, and it's 25.4 millimeters. How about for thickness, maybe 3/4 of an inch? If it doesn't look right, I'll just enlarge it. But it looks good. Looks good. Okay, ignore the sound. That's my phone being charged by my computer. So I'm just going to disconnect it. Ignore the sound, please. And the idea with this clasp is that it's not like one of those clasps you see 25.4 divided by 2. This is not your typical clasp. Let's say we have 170. I'd like to have a 15-degree angle, so 180 minus, it would be 165 degrees. Okay, so we are going to remove this, all of this, because we don't need it. Alright, it's starting to look like the actual clasp. Now it should be, because this is reversible, this should probably have 15 degrees, so that if I turn around it will connect. Then again, that's not really necessary. Well, not on this line anyways. More like from here. I give it 165 degrees. And just trim the rest, which we don't really need. Okay. Now if we turn this around, it should fit perfectly. Oh, oops! I am doing it the wrong way.